Hi, welcome to Blue Learning. My name is Mike, and today what we're going to do is we're going to call an AI voice assistant that I created, and this is for a pizza place. We're going to call it and place an order. This is a fictional pizza place. Address is 123 Main Street, and we're going to use Claude as our voice model for this one. And this is the 3.7 version of Claude Sonnet. The latest version as of March 16th. So anyway, let's give this a call. We do have some call objectives that we're going to hit. We'll see that in a second. But anyway, let's go ahead and start the call and see how it goes. So as you can see here, these are some of our goals for our caller. And this can go for really any office. This is just 10 things we want to accomplish with every call. Greeting the caller. We want to greet them by name. We want to tell the caller our name and then ask for their name and use that throughout the call. We want to take the order. We want to upsell, maybe add any suggestions. Confirm the order details. Address concerns or questions. Any dietary restrictions? Any special requests? Oh, handling special requests. Okay. Concerns or questions, maybe there's a gate code, or maybe there's a question about cauliflower pizza or some of the ingredients they use. Number 6, handling special requests, if there's any changes, any dietary allergies, anything like that. Provide the estimated time. So we want to provide the estimated time of the call of the pizza delivery. Process payment information, so we want to ask about payment. You want to pay when you pick it up, or do you want to pay the driver when they deliver it? Verify contact information, verify the address, and then express gratitude. Thank you for calling, enjoy your pizza, and we'll talk again. So those are the objectives for each call. Let's make a call and see if we can hit any of these or all of them. Okay, I'm just going to give the pizza a call.
Hi there. Welcome to Pizza World. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I was calling to place an order for a pizza.
Hey there. My name is Jennifer. Glad you called Pizza World today. Can I get your name?
My name is Mike.
Nice to meet you, Vaughn. Thanks for choosing Pizza World today. I'd be happy to help you place your order. Are you thinking about carryout or delivery for today?
My name is Mike.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, Mike. My mistake. Thanks for correcting me. So, Mike, are you looking to do carryout or delivery for your pizza order today?
Carry out.
Perfect, Mike. We'll have it hot and ready for pickup at our location. So what are you in the mood for today? Our ovens are fired up and ready to go.
I'll have a large pepperoni pizza.
A large pepperoni pizza. Excellent choice, Mike. That's one of our classics. Would you like our regular crust, or would you prefer thin crust, or maybe our new cauliflower option?
Let's try the cauliflower.
Great choice, Mike. The cauliflower crust is getting really popular lately. It's a nice gluten-free option with a slightly different texture that lots of folks enjoy. Would you like to add any additional toppings to your pepperoni pizza, or keep it classic? And did you want to add any sides like wings, breadsticks, or a drink to go with that?
Breadsticks, please. And do you have any specials today?
Absolutely, Mike. I'll add an order of our breadsticks. They come with marinara dipping sauce. You know what? We've got some really good deals running today that might save you a few dollars. Since you're ordering a large pizza and breadsticks, our meal deal special would be perfect for you. That includes a large one-topping pizza, an order of breadsticks, and a 2-liter soda for just $19.99. That would save you about $5 compared to ordering everything separately. Sound interesting?
Sure, I'll take that.
Perfect, Mike. I'll set you up with that meal deal special, a large pepperoni pizza on our cauliflower crust, an order of breadsticks with marinara, and a 2-liter soda. What kind of soda would you prefer with that?
Coke is fine.
Great choice. So to confirm your order, 1 large pepperoni pizza on our cauliflower crust, an order of breadsticks with marinara, and a 2-liter of Coke. Your total comes to $19.99. How would you like to handle payment today? You can pay with a card over the phone or when you pick up.
I'll pay when I pick it up.
Sounds good, Mike. You'll pay the $19.99 when you pick up your order. Your order will be ready for pickup in about 20 minutes at our location. Just give your name at the counter and they'll have everything ready for you. Would you like your receipt texted or emailed to you? It's totally optional, but it makes reordering next time super easy.
Email is fine.
Great. Could I get your email address for the receipt? I'll spell it back to make sure I've got it right.
Sure, mike@gmail.com.
Thanks, Mike. So that's mike@gmail.com. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Perfect. I've sent a receipt to mike@gmail.com. Your order will be ready for pickup in about 20 minutes. Thanks so much for choosing Pizza World tonight, Mike. We really appreciate your business. Enjoy your meal, and we hope to serve you again soon.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, so I think she handled the call pretty well. She addressed most of the concerns here. I don't think that I asked about any dietary needs or anything. She could have asked that, but anyway, I think the call went pretty well overall. I did hear her dip into a British accent, which I detected that slightly. But anyway, we use all kinds of voices here. We use 11 Labs and a few other voice models for this. But think of how we can use this into your organization. And if you have any questions, you want a consultation, click on the link below. Okay, thank you, and thank you for coming by Blue Learning.